The link in the sources shows Obama clearly claiming he will cut the deficit in half by the end of his first term. But what happened? His term is well over halfway done, yet
I've done tons and tons of research, and quite frankly, what is Occupy Wall Street even about? There are people there protesting corporations, immigration, healthcare, abortions.
It's a highly debated topic on Capitol Hill right now. Do we raise the debt limit or allow the United States to default?
I think it is fair to say that the liberal, left-wing, democratic viewpoints have destroyed our economy. Our failed bailouts that were so needed didn't help the mess you created.
Let's do it, tax them. They can afford it easily. Think about it, the rich have so much money, they can easily give up a little of what they have to help out the country.
Our elected crime family in Washington is no longer about the business of the people but about the OWN business. Issues of illegals in this country and getting them removed.
Over the years many wild claims have been made about marijuana. For example, it has been claimed that its use causes uncontrollable rage, reefer madness.
Well, just go F yourself.
We the people, yes, you work for us, you asshole.